Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical floor gaming chair, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from. Floor gaming chair, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best floor gaming chair from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. X-Rocker Video Gaming Floor Rocker Chair with built-in audio. The X-Rocker Video Gaming Floor Rocker Chair is the perfect choice for youth gamers looking to elevate their gaming experience. Featuring a built-in 2.0 Bluetooth audio system with headrest mount speakers, this chair delivers immersive sound, bringing your favorite games and movies to life. Ideal for children ages 5 to 10, its ergonomic design ensures comfort during long gaming sessions. The chair's outer panel is equipped with vibrant SMD LED lighting, offering over 30 color combinations that shine bright for over 400 hours of use. Plus, it's compatible with most gaming systems, making setup quick and easy. Whether you're gaming in the living room, game room, or bedroom, this versatile chair fits perfectly into any space. It's compact, lightweight, and folds down for easy storage when not in use. Give your young gamer the ultimate gaming chair for fun and comfort with the X-Rocker Gaming Floor Rocker. Number 2. BIRDROCK Home Adjustable Memory Foam Floor Chair. The BIRDROCK Home Adjustable Memory Foam Floor Chair offers the ultimate in comfort and versatility. Designed with 14 adjustable positions, this chair allows you to lounge, read, play games, or take a nap with ease. The high-quality memory foam conforms to your body, providing exceptional support whether you're sitting upright or reclining flat for relaxation. Ideal for kids and teenagers, it's perfect for gaming, reading, or meditation. When fully flat, it measures 21.25-inch wide, 41.25-inch long, 6-inch height, and when in the 90-degree position, making it compact yet spacious enough for extended use. The chair is lightweight, weighing only 10.5 lps and can be easily stored under beds or stacked for convenience. Arriving fully assembled, it's ready to use right out of the box, with plush fabric and durable materials ensuring comfort and longevity for various activities. Number 3. Avocahom Folding Floor Gaming Chair 14. Position cushioned adjustable. The Avaco Home Floor Gaming Chair offers ultimate comfort and versatility for your relaxation needs. Featuring a stylish 18-grid design, this chair is crafted with soft skin-friendly flannel fabric and a 6-inch thick recycled cotton sponge cushion that ensures a cozy seating experience. Its sturdy aluminum alloy frame supports up to 200 lps, making it both durable and comfortable. The ergonomic design includes a backrest that adjusts to 14 different positions, allowing you to sit upright, recline, or lay flat for the perfect position whether you're gaming, reading, or lounging. This multifunctional chair can be used as a floor chair, a couch, or even a bed, offering you maximum flexibility. It's also easy to store by simply laying it flat, and the removable cover allows for easy cleaning. Perfect for use in your living room, bedroom, or playroom, the Avocahom folding chair is ideal for a variety of activities and offers lasting comfort. Number 4. Bymut Swivel Floor Gaming Chair Reclining Sofa Reclining Sofa W/6. Adjustable position. The Bymut Swivel Floor Gaming Chair is the perfect blend of comfort and functionality, designed for long hours of relaxation or gaming. With its 360-degree swivel base, this chair allows you to move freely and change directions without standing up. Its 6 adjustable positions let you find the most comfortable seating or reclining angle, whether you're sitting, resting, or napping. The chair also features ergonomic support with a high rebound foam cushion that prevents sagging and a soft, breathable fabric for maximum comfort. The padded armrests add extra convenience and warmth, especially during colder months. The lightweight and foldable design makes it easy to store and carry, taking up minimal space. Crafted from a durable alloy steel frame, this chair ensures long-lasting stability and comfort. Ready to use right out of the box, the Buymoth Swivel floor gaming chair is perfect for gaming, studying, or simply lounging in your living room, bedroom, or dorm. Number 5. ACIPENSER Swivel Gaming Chair, multi-purpose use. With 6 adjustable positions, the ACIPENSER Swivel Gaming Chair is your ultimate comfort companion for gaming, working, or relaxing. This versatile chair features a 360-degree swivel base, allowing you to move freely and access everything you need without standing up. With 6 adjustable positions, from 90 to 135 degrees, you can easily find your perfect angle for sitting, reclining, or even napping. The ergonomic design, with a padded backrest, headrest, and armrests, supports your neck, spine, and hips, ensuring hours of comfort without discomfort. Crafted from breathable mesh fabric and soft foam, this chair is both soft and durable. The foldable design makes it easy to store in tight spaces, while the stylish pink and white color combination adds a modern touch to any room. Ideal for gaming, reading, or simply relaxing, this chair is a must-have for kids and adults alike. Fully assembled and ready to use, the ACIPENSER Swivel Gaming Chair is perfect for your home, living room, or study. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.